Has a woman ever humiliated you? Near the end of my relationship with one of my now ex-girlfriends, we had gotten into a pretty big argument. Somewhere during the debate, she got fed up and went for my car keys to take my car and drive 3 hours to her parents. I told her that I would leave my apartment if she wanted to, but while she was absolutely raging, I wasn't going to give her the keys to my car. Firstly, she wasn't on the insurance. Secondly, it was pouring rain outside and she was in a slamming shit, red-faced kind of condition. Lastly, I told her that once she cooled off, she could take my car if she wanted. Again, I offered to leave if that's what she needed. She grabbed my keys anyways and headed for the door. I told her, without blocking the entrance or anything physical, "Look, I'll leave but you can't take my car. You're not even asking and we have no trust between each other anymore." And she walked out the door. From the doorstep, I told her, "I'm going to call the cops if you steal my car. You're not on the insurance. You don't have my permission to take my car. I'll drive you anywhere you want or have someone come get you but you can't take my car." This ex had really bad anger. People who have cancer, what signs let you knew that you were sick? 1. I was diagnosed with a stage 3